right. We got Brody and Dean in the truck. Look at those guys. Go say hi. Whoa. Those lifeguards honked at you. Hey, did you see that? All right, Brody, wait, Brody, they're gonna drive on the street. We can't drive on the street like that. Now that's cool. Whoa, say bye. Okay, turn around. All right, so we got Brody, 3 years old, and we got Dean, who is 8 months old.
Yay.
Did I say 3 months? Brody's 3 years. I don't know what I said, but yeah, so 3 years and 8 months. Look at these guys driving this truck. Wow, Brody, is this your first time taking Dean for a ride?
Yeah. It's gonna be you guys in 13 years.
Don't say that. Come on, Jess, come on. Okay, well, we are here at the bay, Mission Bay.
Post ear surgery.
I just had ear surgery. Doing good. It's been a couple days, but I want to get the boys out and have them drive the truck. It's been a while, so Dean's finally kind of big enough.
Oh gosh, Brody, stop!
Well, they seem like they did okay. Let's go see what's going on. Do you need help?
Brody, you gotta be careful. Dean's so little, that'll hurt us.
Doesn't seem like he's doing too bad. All right.
Brody, don't run into anything, okay,
Ready?
honey?
I went in the tree.
Yeah, be
Don't
careful.
do that again. No, no, no.
Dean could
Honey,
get hurt.
turn your wheel.
Other way. Turn it this way. Give it some gas and do it. Here, I'll help you. There we go. There you go. Nice.
This is his first collision.
Yeah. It's kind of fun to take these videos. Hopefully they'll be stored on the internet for you guys. Okay, bros, turn back this way. He knows what he's doing.
He's hit a tree.
Yeah, that's true. Brody, stop!
Brody.
Stop! Holy cow! Nice move!